More today about Alvin Simmons. He's the first local person to die from COVID-19 not long after he took a job at Rochester General Hospital. Tia Collins live for us at Rochester General, where he worked and was later treated. Tia, you talked to his family about the situation.
That's right. I was able to speak with one of his sisters, and she did confirm that Alvin Simmons did work here at Rochester General a little less than a month before his death. Now, the family that I talked to believe he may have came in contact with the virus while here, but today, hospital leaders say that would have been impossible as he was the first confirmed COVID-19 patient at the hospital. Alvin Simmons is Monroe County's first COVID-19 victim. He was 54 years old. He was an Army veteran, a father, and a brother to Michelle Wilcox.
He had 2 children, a significant other who's also battling the same virus right now that they're not telling any information about.
The family is searching for answers after they say Simmons started getting sick after working here at Rochester General Hospital. According to the hospital president, on March 13th, Simmons was seen and evaluated in the emergency room here. On March 13th, Simmons was seen and evaluated in the emergency room. He was discharged as a patient under investigation.
He was judged that he was clinically stable to go home. He presented back to Rochester General 18 hours later. He was in respiratory distress and brought in by emergency medical services.
Simmons was admitted to Rochester General on March 14th. He had fever and acute respiratory symptoms, and he tested positive for COVID-19. According to the hospital, Simmons did not get the disease from a patient, as he was the first COVID-19 case at Rochester General.
He was one of the first patients in Rochester identified with coronavirus. Rochester General had no coronavirus cases at the time that he came in. We had patients under investigation who we had testing going on, and those individuals all were negative. This was the first index case at Rochester General.
Simmons passed away on Sunday. Hospital officials tell us complicating factors led to the severity of his death, including serious underlying health conditions of hypertension, liver disease, and tobacco use. For the family, the death comes as a warning to others.
I just want everybody to know that it's real. Please just self-quarantine yourself. Do what you gotta do. Don't go out here. It's not right.
A strong message from Alvin Simmons' sister. Now, again, we do want to stress that hospital leaders said he could not have got the virus from the hospital here, as he was the first patient who tested positive for COVID-19. They are working with the County Department of Health to find out where he could have came in contact with the virus. In Rochester, Tia Collins, News 8.
Tia, thank you. We will continue to update you on this particular situation and the larger epidemic, the larger outbreak that we're dealing with.